Well, they decided they wanted us to make sure we get this picnic area all cleaned up. Anything so they can use it. We can't wash it down right now, so we have to blow it. And this is going to suck. And it's a little chilly, but still got shorts.
Well, because Helen just told her boyfriend, I'm tired of eating my food and not having it warm.
She's gonna beat me.
Got us a new microwave. All right, after lunch, we finished up mulching over at the village for the day. So we are now washing down for the afternoon since it's warmed up like 2 degrees. But yeah, so we're starting to peel washing down, and then let's see, they want us to wash down one of the sidewalks that there's a bunch of mud and rocks all over, but we don't have water turned on up there, so Jim's going to have me go up there and shovel it all and try to pick up all the mud and anything. So I guess we'll get started on that, and then we got a couple other things we need to check on and whatnot, and then he's already verbally given me a list of stuff to do for tomorrow. So, oh yeah, truck's almost out of gas too, or not gas, but diesel fuel. Oh, an update on truck. I don't know if they might be able to get it done today, but all I know is that they called mom. They said they've already got it up, already got transmission out, and they said my rear oil main seal, whatever, was leaking pretty badly, and since I already had transmission off, it'd be real easy to go ahead and fix it and replace it and anything. So we went ahead and go ahead and let them do that. That way I don't have to do it, and I'm pretty sure that'd probably be my little oil leak that I have, is just that one seal. Yeah, and then they'll put new transmission in, but so I hope they'll be done today. They should be, but whatever. So heading out, and that's the sidewalk I think that's the one we're supposed to work on. If not there, then behind this building. But I got a picnic area I need to check on right now, and then I'll head up and do this. Well, it's about when this separate drain gets looking like this that I really hate doing this. Luckily, it's not currently raining, so we don't have water all the way up to where it's at. But still, it doesn't make it a whole lot easier. So I'll have to park the truck really close. Try to get tools and anything out and try to scrape it all up. Well, wish me luck. Squirrel. It's a squirrel. See him? Right here. Bang. Well, got it pretty well cleaned off. Yeah, there's so much we got, but just in time because it's starting to rain now, and it's starting to pick up as we speak. So I want to hop in and at least shut the windows. All right, so we are heading to the bank now to get some cash out to pay the shop. I could do by card, but it costs them like, I think he said 1.25% or something like that, which, as from owning my own business, I know that can, yeah, it's just easier to do cash and whatnot. So stopping by the bank, getting some cash out. Yeah, and then they should be done tonight. So hopefully once we get home, we can head on up and get it. But yeah, so well, transmissions ain't cheap, especially when you have somebody else do it. Erg. This is like over a paycheck right here. Like more than my overtime paycheck. Alright, so before we head out to go get the truck, hopefully, we got our shoes and our batteries in today. So yeah, I guess first I'll go ahead and open up these shoes. Just kind of give you all a look at the right. So, give it a second. So here we go. You can see the Realtree. They have drain channels and whatnot. Pretty awesome. And then if you look in here, see Realtree, blah 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 blah, water friendly. So they have little drain channels in here. See all these little circles. So these are going to be my wash down shoes, probably. That way, if they get wet, it should not be an issue. So, it's pretty awesome. So, just went to go get the truck, and basically, when they took the old transmission out, or my new transmission out of its old vehicle, I guess they roughed it up pretty badly, and messed up some wiring. So on the way, they got it in and went to go test it, and it wasn't working right. So they're pretty sure it's the wiring issue. So basically, I'm not going to be ready today. So hopefully tomorrow, or most likely tomorrow. So now let's go ahead and open up our batteries. Yeah. Here we are. Yeah, so you can see free second battery included, $99 value. And one of these is $99. So basically, for the price of buying 2 of these, I got 4. But yeah, so these are about 4 times more power, or hold about 4 times as much power as my other ones. So, yep, here's one of our batteries. It's a lot bigger than the compact, which is about maybe about that big or so. So you can get more out of that. Plus, this has a built-in battery gauge or whatever. So you can push it. I'll tell you right there, you got about 50% battery. So it is surprisingly pretty lightweight. But I feel like the only true weight to this would be right up here. All that, and then this little bit down here, which looks like a shock absorbing little bit. So, but I feel like the battery itself is really pretty light. So got 4 of these, so we can get a lot of work done with this.